Welcome to CEC Less Than a Minute video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the verb look, which is clear in meaning. But when we add a preposition to it, it changes the whole meaning. So we say, for example, look after. So look after here means take care of. An example of that, he needs someone to look after his kids. And then we have look up to. Look up to means admire and respect. So an example of that is the kids look up to their coach. And then we have the last one, which is look forward to. Look forward to means to feel excited about something or to eagerly wait for something to happen. So, for example, I look forward to your comments. Hope you got that. Thank you for watching.